Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now before we jump into today's video, I have to say this. The following video is brought to everyone thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. But as always, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here, and my opinions are not influenced in any way, shape, form, or fashion. With that being said, let's dive into today's video. Enjoy everyone. Let's go. All right, everyone. So we're back. And today we got another unboxing for the iPhone 15 Plus. And in particular, this style of case is available for any iPhone that supports MagSafe. So this will actually work on the iPhone 12 or newer. Okay, let me do some quick housekeeping and then we'll jump into today's video. So if this video piques your guys and gals interest, all the affiliated buy links as to where you guys and gals can pick anything featured up in today's video will be linked up down below in the video description. And as the name implies, if you guys and gals decide to make your purchase using those affiliate buy links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel. And that's basically making the affiliate buy links a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. All right. And if you would like to see more accessories or more coverage on the iPhone 15 Plus itself and any or all of my recommended accessories, I'll link up all of my extended coverage on the iPhone 15 Plus as well as my favorite recommended accessories down below in the video description as well. So the video description should truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Today's video is being recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the Google Pixel 6a in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up, but I do have the voice enhancement feature turned on here today, and I am using my professional studio lights to light up the scene here today. So please let me know how you guys and gals feel about the overall video quality, as well as the overall audio and the overall lighting. As always, all of your feedback is greatly appreciated. Alright, housekeeping done. Let's get into today's video. So today what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the ANEWSIR or ANEWSIR MagSafe clear case for the iPhone 15 Plus or any iPhone newer than the 12 or newer. Alright? And the really cool thing about this is that it also comes with its own cleaning kit. Alright, so you get 2 microfiber cleaning cloths of really good quality, and then you get a kit to clean your earbuds, and then you get a disinfectant spray as well. And it all comes in a nice carrying case, and you can easily swap out the spray bottles I'm going to show y'all in a little bit. But let's talk about the overall presentation here. Now I have to say, ANEWSIR, you guys did a great job here. Really nice company branding up at the top. I do like the logo. Really clean layout. You got pictures of everything included. And then you highlight the features as well. Really good stuff there as well. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. And then down the side, again, you're highlighting a feature. So this is a magnetic case. And in particular, this is a MagSafe case. It has really strong magnets. I'm going to demonstrate for everyone in a little bit here. Flipping it to the back. Again, we're just highlighting the key features there. Okay. Pause and read up for yourself if you would like. Okay. And again, same thing on this side. Nothing on that side. Alright, let's crack into this now. Let's go. I already cut all the tapes and seals. So we're going to pop this out. And we're going to slide this out. And then we're greeted with everything. So this is your disinfectant spray, as well as your nice carrying case. Alright. Then we have our instructions. Okay, so you can indeed use this to clean anything, right? Glasses, tablets, phones, phone cases, you name it. Okay, and they do give you the instructions on how to clean all of that right here. All right, let's throw that off to the side. Then we have one of our really nice microfiber cleaning cloths. Okay, I'm going to show you the other one in a second, but this is a really nice quality. I don't know if my camera's going to do it justice. Throw that off to the side. Then we have the case itself and nothing else in the box. So let me throw the box off to the side. And let me take the case out the plastic here. And this is a really nice clear case, right? Similar to the style of clear case that I have on my Google Pixel 6a, which is recording the video here today. And you can see in just a matter of seconds, it got dirty and fingerprinty, and I just took it out the plastic. Okay, but here's the case. But before we take a closer look at the case, I just want to show y'all this. So this is your portable cleaning / carrying case. And it does have a nice strap, so you could hook this onto some keys if you would like. And then if you want to open it up, you just pinch here and you open it up. And you can see you have your other microfiber cleaning cloth right here. And you can actually put both cleaning cloths in here. Then you got a really nice pair of tweezers with a straight edge to clean out earbuds. And then you got a soft end here to get any smaller particles. And then you have your bottle here with your cleaning solution. And you can swap this out when the bottle gets empty, right? So this is a cleaning solution bottle as well as a carrying case. So everything is nice and neatly in one thing. I like that. So if you close this up here, you want to make sure it clicks closed, right? And then at the top, you push this button and then we get our spray right there. So really, really nice. So I do really like how they gave you a carrying case and a cleaner all in one, right? Let me rest it off to the side. Now, honestly, that's something that I've always really wanted, especially being somebody that wears glasses. And I really do like to keep my products clean, especially products that I use on a daily basis. And my cases I clean about once to twice a week, okay? So honestly, I might just keep that in the car, all right? And then what I might do is I might take this other really good microfiber cleaning cloth and keep this in my room. And anything that I need to keep clean at my desk here or in my room, I'll use this. And then I'll have the other one that I keep in the car. So as a matter of fact, I'm just going to put this on the top of my desk right now. And anything we need to keep clean in the office here or in my room here, that really good microfiber cleaning cloth will be here. All right, so now let's take a closer look at the case. And you can see this is basically a clear TPU case with MagSafe. So you can see our MagSafe magnets right there. And then you can see we got all the appropriate cutouts. So charging ports, speakers, microphones. Okay, fully protected buttons. We do have a nice cutout for a lanyard strap if you want to add one right there. Good stuff there. And we got fully protected volume rockers with a nice cutout for our mute slider. Have a nice raised lip on the front. And we do have a nice raised lip for the camera bump. So full protection for the display and full protection for the cameras should be nice. All right, let's drop it on the device. I already gave it a fresh wipe down before I started the video. And this does have a screen protector installed as well as a camera lens protector. So let's see how it fits. Didn't mean to turn my display on, but whatever. Okay, so yeah, that fits pretty much perfectly. And I got some dust particles in there. I could see them. I don't know how well you guys and gals could see them off camera. So I'm going to have to take this off and give it a deep clean again before I start using it. But you can see this case fits perfectly on my iPhone 15 Plus, and I really, really like this style of case, right? First impressions, This seems really, really solid, and you guys and gals can see it is screen protector friendly. I do have a nice high quality screen protector on here. Wait, didn't push it all the way in, but it is screen protector friendly. And again, I have a nice tempered glass camera lens protector as well. Seems to work no problems. Now let's test out MagSafe. So I got a few MagSafe accessories here, which is a key feature of this case. And again, anything featured in the video will be linked up down below in the video description. Okay? But these are 3 of my favorite MagSafe accessories. I do have one last MagSafe accessory I want to take a look at for everyone. Honestly, along with converting to USB Type-C, I've basically converted everything to MagSafe as well. So to me, for me to use a device daily, not only does it need to have USB Type-C, but it does need to have some type of MagSafe support, or give me the ability to add MagSafe support. But let's test out the MagSafe here. So I got a really nice MagSafe kickstand right here. This goes on no problems, and that actually looks phenomenal. And you can see you can rotate this any way you would like. So you can prop up your device any way you would like. So landscape, okay, right there. And then portrait. Flip this down. Actually, I got to do it the other way. And you could do your portrait stand up right there. So really, really good stuff. And then you can also use this as an extra support holder. I like that a lot. But basically, this would just be kickstand support. Right? So really, really good stuff there. All right? So that's one accessory. Let's pull this off. This is on there pretty strong. Give me 1 second. There we go. That's one accessory, no problems. Here's another accessory that also supports MagSafe. So we can drop this on, and it goes on no problems as well. And what's really nice about this accessory is I can actually mount 2 devices to it. Or I could just use one device in various different ways, kickstand style. Okay, so I could do my kickstand that way, or I can do my kickstand this way. Or I can use this like a tripod because it has the tripod holes. So we can do that as well. This is why this is one of my favorite MagSafe accessories, because this gives me ultimate functionality with any of my MagSafe devices. So you can see kickstands, tripods, multiple devices, any angle I want, no problems. And it works with this case as well. So we can do landscape, we can do portrait. Y'all know the deal here. And then this should just be able to pop off real nicely. Let me see. If I do it this way, it should pop off real nicely. There we go. So that's 2. And again, this too is one of my all-time favorite MagSafe accessories. Okay? And then last but certainly not least, you guys and gals have seen this if you've been around on my channel for a while. This is my MagSafe phone stand. Clicks right on. And again, no problem. So you get full protection and you get MagSafe capabilities with this case. And it does give you a nice clean look as well. Alright. And to be honest with y'all, I'll probably rock it with this accessory right here. Okay. Let me make sure I don't drop this. Press that down. But I'll probably rock it with this accessory right here, because then I can basically add a kickstand to my device and not have any issues. So these 2 accessories have become my all-time 2 favorite accessories. So boom. And we're in business. And so now I have a kickstand on my device anywhere I go, and my device is fully protected. Really, really good stuff there. And this extra ring still supports MagSafe as well. So if I wanted to use my phone stand here, I could do that. So I could still drop it on my phone stand, and it works no problems. Boom. Pull it off. No issues. Boom. So this right here turns any or all of my MagSafe cases to kickstand cases. All right. But with this case right here, I do love the look and the combination of this. All right. So really, really good stuff. So first impressions of the ANEWSIR case, it is really good in my opinion. Now, I am going to take some time and put it through its paces. And again, as you guys and gals saw at the beginning of the video, this is another Amazon Vine product. So I am going to have to take some time and write up the full review before I finish the video coverage. So if you follow me on Amazon, when you see the written review for this case go live, then you know the video coverage for this case is coming. All right. I don't put videos to everything that I cover on Amazon, but the really, really cool stuff, if I feel it justifies a video, then I'll do videos on it. But this one was super cool, and this combination was super cool, so I feel like this one needed a video. All right, so y'all stay tuned. That does it for today's video. Okay, and the full review should be coming soon. All right, hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. Yeah, man, I really, really like this combination. And I would show y'all, but my Galaxy device that I usually use for filming is charging right now. Otherwise, I would give you the side-by-side of this device, my iPhone 15 Plus, and my Google Pixel 6a, which is what I'm using to record the video. But hey, I might put that in the thumbnail, so y'all will see. Because these clear cases with MagSafe, I really, really like it. Especially with my MagSafe accessories that add in additional features. You really can't beat it. Really can't beat it. So these clear cases are becoming my new favorite style of case, as long as they have built-in MagSafe. And then as long as you add in your favorite MagSafe accessory, you should be good to go. Anyways, I'm rambling. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. Hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.